Hello learners, today we are going to learn about why we are all celebrate Republic Day on January 26. Each year 26th January is a national holiday of India and is celebrated all over the country with a lot of every Indian heart fills up with patriotic fervor and immense love for motherland. While the Independence Day is celebrated for birth of nation, but Republic Day is the day when India became a completely independent country as their permanent constitution came into force. This day celebrates the adaptation of the Republic Constitution by a country and honors the citizens who held the power of a republican nation. First, we have to learn about Constitution. What is Constitution? A Constitution is a supreme law of the country. Our Constitution tells us how our country should work. It gives certain valuable rights to all the citizens of India. The Constitution of India gives us our fundamental rights, which is essence of our freedom. Fundamental rights means basic survival of human in a country. In our Indian Constitution, there are 6 fundamental rights. Here, there are important rights are right to freedom of speech, right against exploitation, right to education, right to equality. Let's see the making of our Indian Constitution. The Constituent Assembly appointed a total number of 13 committees to deal with constitution making. The original Constitution of India is handwritten. Our Indian Constitution was framed by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. He is also called as Father of Indian Constitution. Jawaharlal Nehru allotted the committee to frame Indian Constitution under the guidelines of Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Making of Indian Constitution took 2 years, 11 months and 18 days to complete this process. There were 7 members allocated to frame the Constitution of India. The Constitution was adopted by the Indian Constituent Assembly on 26 November 1949 and came into effect on 26 January 1950 with the democratic government system. So, this is the day when India became a completely independent country as the permanent constitution came into force. 26th January was selected for this purpose because it was this day in 1930 when the Declaration of Indian Independence Purna Swaraj was proclaimed by the Indian National Congress. In India, each year 26th January celebrates as Republic Day to remind this unforgettable history of our India. It's time for interesting fact. Our Indian Constitution was written by Prem Bihari. He didn't charge a single rupee for this grateful work. In Indian Constitution, the draft consists of a total of 395 articles, 8 schedules and a preamble. Prem Bihari took 6 months to complete the task. According to Prem Foundation, 432 pen holder nibs were used throughout the process, and he used number 303 nib for this calligraphy. Thank you for listening today's topic. If you have any doubt, you can ask in comment section. If you like our video, kindly subscribe us and support us. Thank you all.